Hi, welcome back to AMC India. Today I am going to show how to make spinach and carrot rice. Let's start. Today I am using 20 centimeters high. First, I am switching on the flame. I am adding a teaspoon of oil. Whole spices and jeera. Now on the high flame, heat until roasting window. I am setting the audio term to roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I am switching off the audio term. Switching the flame to low. Into this, I am adding chopped ginger, chopped garlic, onion, green chilli, and fry until the onion turn light pink in color. Onions are fried. Now I am going to add spinach. Grated carrot. We have to fry them for a minute. Carrot and spinach are fried a little bit. Into this, I am adding chili powder. Mix them well. Now I am adding 1 cup of basmati rice. For 1 cup of rice, I am adding 1.5 cups water. Add salt according to taste. Now I am using 20 cm separate lid. Lock it. I am going to cook it for 1 minute in soft window. Switch on the flame to high again and cook until soft window. It has reached soft window. I am switching the flame to low and switching off the sound. Cooking time is completed. I am switching off the flame, switching off the audio term. Let's wait until it depressurizes and then open the lid. Pressure is released completely. Now I am opening the lid. Carrot and spinach rice is ready.